This is not a motorhome. This is not a camper. This is a 2026 MACK 6x6 monster motorhome, an engineering marvel that redefines what luxury, power, and presence mean on the road. From the first glance, it commands respect. Every curve, every panel, every detail screams precision, dominance, and raw capability. You're not just looking at a vehicle, you're looking at a mobile fortress built for the bold. Let's start with the design. The 6x6 layout alone separates it from anything else on the market. 3 axles, 6 massive wheels, all working in harmony to conquer terrain that would make standard motorhomes tremble. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, with a full black paint job that reflects light like liquid obsidian. The grille is a statement piece, prominently displaying the MACK logo in deep red, contrasting perfectly against the black sheen. LED headlights are not just lights, they're a declaration. When you switch them on, they illuminate with crystal clarity, cutting through fog, rain, or night like a beacon of power. Even the front tires, slightly turned in their resting position, give the impression that this monster is ready to move, to dominate even while standing still. Move to the side, and the 6x6 proportions become even more obvious. The extra axle adds a length and balance that is rarely seen in motorhomes. Yet, despite its size, the design doesn't feel bulky. It feels purposeful. The lines are clean, aerodynamic hints subtly incorporated into a machine that's more brute force than aerodynamics. You notice the attention to detail immediately. The mirror housings, the subtle fender flares, the paint consistency across panels, every inch reflecting high-level craftsmanship. Step inside, and the experience shifts from raw power to pure luxury. The interior is a testament to what happens when industrial engineering meets meticulous design. Soft yet durable materials cover every surface, from the dashboard to the seating. There is a sense of solidity, of permanence. You're seated in a cockpit, not just a living space. The layout is intuitive. Every control is within reach, every switch thoughtfully placed. And yet, it's spacious. Walking inside, you feel like you're entering a luxury suite, not a motorhome. The dashboard is dominated by a digital cluster that merges classic MACK ruggedness with modern tech. Full HD displays provide navigation, performance metrics, and system monitoring with clarity that rivals any high-end car. Touch points are tactile, responsive, and satisfyingly mechanical, reminding you that this is a vehicle built for both comfort and durability. Ambient lighting is subtle yet effective, highlighting surfaces without being overwhelming. Power is where the 2026 MACK 6x6 truly shines. Under the hood sits a purpose-built diesel engine, tuned to deliver a staggering amount of torque. We're talking enough force to move this beast effortlessly over steep inclines, muddy trails, and snowy paths. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures every wheel contributes, making traction nearly impossible to lose, even in challenging conditions. And while it's massive, it handles with a surprising amount of grace. Steering is responsive for a vehicle of this size, thanks to MACK's advanced hydraulic systems and precision engineering. Suspension is another area where the 6x6 monster excels. Each wheel is independently managed, absorbing shocks, bumps, and uneven terrain without transferring harshness to the cabin. You feel stability rather than rigidity. Whether cruising highways or exploring backcountry roads, the ride quality remains composed, confident, and assured. And thanks to advanced braking systems, stopping this immense vehicle feels controlled, safe, and predictable. Let's talk storage and capacity. This is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile home in every sense. Storage compartments are vast, cleverly designed, and easily accessible. Underfloor compartments, side panels, and rear storage areas can carry equipment, tools, luggage, or even a small recreational vehicle. Every space is utilized intelligently, ensuring you never feel cramped, no matter how long the journey. The living area is equally impressive. High-end materials extend into the interior, with leather seating, polished wood trims, and advanced climate control. A state-of-the-art entertainment system allows streaming, gaming, or movie nights while on the move. Lighting is customizable, with zones that can be adjusted for work, relaxation, or ambience. The kitchen area is fully functional, featuring appliances that rival those in a luxury home. And the sleeping quarters? Spacious, comfortable, and designed to ensure rest after a long day of driving or adventure. Safety has not been compromised. The 6x6 Monster is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision detection, and night vision cameras. A network of sensors monitors every angle, every tire, and every system. The result is a motorhome that's not only massive and powerful, but also incredibly safe for driver and passengers. The exterior lighting deserves a special mention. Taillights, brake lights, and turn signals are all LED-based, ensuring visibility under all conditions. At the back, the red LED lights shine brilliantly, giving a futuristic look while providing maximum safety. Even in adverse conditions, this motorhome remains highly visible, a combination of style and practicality that few can achieve. For those who demand adventure, the MACK 6x6 excels off-road. With high ground clearance, 6 driven wheels, and carefully tuned traction systems, it can traverse rocky paths, muddy roads, and snow-laden trails with confidence. The 6x6 layout ensures stability, prevents tipping, and allows for challenging maneuvers that traditional motorhomes would avoid. Yet, when returning to the highway, it transitions into a smooth, composed cruiser. This duality, off-road brute force with highway finesse, is rare, and MACK has executed it masterfully. Attention to soundproofing and acoustics inside the cabin is another understated feature. Diesel engines are powerful, but the cabin remains serene. Road noise is minimized, mechanical hum is controlled, and conversations or entertainment remain undisturbed. The combination of insulation materials, design, and engine tuning creates a cocoon-like experience where the outside chaos fades away. Fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size is surprisingly well considered. While you won't confuse it with a compact SUV, MACK engineers have optimized fuel delivery, turbocharging, and aerodynamics to ensure that every drop counts. Long-distance travel is feasible without constant refueling, adding to the motorhome's practicality for extended trips. MACK has also invested in technology to simplify daily operations. From integrated GPS with terrain mapping to advanced driver assistance systems, the 6x6 Monster is intelligent. Tire pressure monitoring, engine diagnostics, and even weather alerts are displayed seamlessly on the dashboard. You are never in the dark about the vehicle's status, and proactive alerts help avoid issues before they arise. The exterior detailing is meticulous. Paint finish is flawless, reflecting light evenly across massive panels. Chrome elements are tastefully used, complementing the black bodywork without being excessive. Logos and badges are strategically placed, emphasizing heritage identity without distracting from the overall design. Every element has purpose, and every line contributes to the presence of a motorhome that's larger than life. When you combine all these elements, power, luxury, safety, technology, and presence, you understand why the 2026 MACK 6x6 Monster motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's a declaration that you refuse to compromise on comfort, capability, or aesthetics. Driving it is an experience that engages all senses. The rumble of the engine, the visual dominance of its presence, the tactile feedback from controls, and the quiet luxury of the cabin all converge to create a holistic experience that's rare in any segment. Every turn, every acceleration, every stop is precise, deliberate, and commanding. Even parking and maneuvering, tasks typically daunting for a vehicle of this size, are surprisingly manageable. Advanced camera systems, sensors, and intelligent steering provide confidence. You are in control and you feel it. There is no guesswork. The technology is an enabler, but the design itself feels intuitive, logical, and purpose-built. The entertainment and connectivity systems deserve another mention. Internet connectivity, smart controls, streaming services, and multi-zone audio ensure that passengers are always connected and engaged. From work to leisure, the interior adapts seamlessly to your needs. Comfort is not a luxury. It is a standard. Maintenance accessibility is another thoughtful aspect. Panels open easily, key systems are reachable, and MACK has clearly designed this motorhome for longevity. Durability and ease of service have been considered from the start, ensuring that ownership is rewarding, not burdensome. Finally, let's talk about the emotional impact. There's a reason the MACK 6x6 monster inspires awe. Its presence is commanding, its performance undeniable, and its design impeccable. You don't just drive it, you feel it. Every journey becomes an experience, every road a showcase of capability. It's rare to find a vehicle that balances ruggedness with refinement so perfectly, but MACK has achieved it with precision. In conclusion, the 2026 MACK 6x6 Monster Motorhome is a fusion of strength, luxury, and innovation. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. It's for those who demand more than transportation, more than shelter, more than mobility. It's for those who want power without compromise, luxury without excess, and presence without apology. This is not a motorhome. This is not a camper. This is a 2026 MACK 6x6 Monster Motorhome. A monster built to impress, designed to dominate, and crafted to last a lifetime.